Amir Hussain Lone, a 34-year-old cricketer from Waghama village in Kashmir, has become a cricketing inspiration despite facing a disability. Having lost both arms in a sawmill accident at the age of 8, Amir has defied the odds and is now leading the para cricket team of Jammu and Kashmir. Discovered by a teacher in 2013, Amir's extraordinary cricketing skills, including bowling with his feet and batting with the bat positioned between his chin and neck, have earned him praise from cricket legends. Amir showcased his talent on an international stage by participating in the United Arab Emirates Dubai Premier League held in Sharjah.